इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग में इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ कपलिंग क्या क्या होते हैं। पहले हम देखते हैं व्हाट इज कपलिंग। कपलिंग ए डिवाइस दैट इज यूज्ड टू कनेक्ट टू शाफ्ट टुगेदर for the purpose of power transmission. Two shaft means here one is input shaft, another is output shaft. This is the image of coupling which is connected pump and motors. Types of coupling: rigid coupling, flexible coupling, universal coupling. This is the image of rigid coupling, and this is the image of flexible coupling, and this is the universal coupling. Rigid coupling. Rigid coupling is used to connect two shafts which are perfectly aligned. Types of rigid coupling are sleeve and muff coupling, flange coupling, clamp or split muff or compression coupling. This is the image of rigid coupling. Next is flexible coupling. Flexible coupling is used to connect two shafts having both lateral and angular misalignment. Types of flexible coupling are bush pin type coupling, universal coupling, Oldham coupling, and this is the image of flexible coupling. And next is universal coupling. A universal join is a join or coupling connected to rigid shaft whose axes are inclined to each other. It is commonly used in shaft that transmission rotary motion. This is the image of universal coupling. Thank you for watching.